Ow! I didn't even hit you. All right, here we go. Ready, guys? This is about to be funny. Hey, Blake, I'm gonna do a funny.
I'm scared.
Spin me right around, baby, right round like a. Bye. Right, guys. Today we're trying out the Subway cookie. Editor Jaden here, and I want to give a huge shout out to Mad Alpha Designers, or in this case, Lisa, for designing this incredible banner for me and Blake. Honestly, I don't know. This is wild though. Like, just look at that. Look at that. It's amazing. Anyways, back to the video. Can I get a pre-game interview?
They look good.
Looks good?
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys. We're here.
Trying all the new things. Churro, pretzel, and cookie.
Now, this is one of the things I've wanted and never wanted to do also. Because this is public. It's fine. Fine, alright, so we gotta get the Baja Chipotle, bro.
Let's try that honey mustard.
That's it, okay? Yes. You want to do the representation of this? Alright.
Wow, what a number. Now I can say sweet.
Bless you.
I don't think this should be a good one. This one. I had one that was still this one was better.
Is it good?
Yeah, it is. Thanks so long for this.
Subway cookies. You already know they've been sold out here a lot. Cheers.
I think I need a little bit more, you know, to rate it, you know. I think you need to try a little bit more. Hold on. Right, I got it. Right.
10.
Well, I think you need to try a little bit more too. I need to try a little more. Hold on. What I hate doing is, now I gotta screw it up for the video. No. Don't ever do that. Hit it, Blake. Hit it, Blake. That's not what I asked you to hit. That's not what I asked you. No, bro. Actually, hit the thing.
Oh, this.
Okay. You think you'll say yes? I think you'll say yes. Please, can we go to the park? Dude, she's not saying yes. What do we do? What do we do?
I don't know.